Hi everyone, this is Kuldeep from Gestisoft and welcome to a new video on Business Central. Today I'm going to show you how we can work with date fields in Business Central and just some shortcuts that can really save you time and that maybe you didn't know about in Business Central. So first let's open a sales order. So let's say we're going to create a new sales order. So we can see here we will have the due date. Now, when it comes to the due date, if you know the due date already, you can go ahead and input it by clicking on the calendar and searching for it or manually input it. But I wanted to show you some other quick ways that we can input the dates in Business Central. So for instance, if you put W, you will see it will have a working date already input here. Now, where does that date comes from? So if you go into your settings, you will see we have the work date here, which has already been set up and that you can change if you want to. So when you put in the W, it's going to take the work date from your settings and input it here. Now, if we go ahead and put in WO, it will work the same. Now, let's say you want going to type number. So let's say we type in 12. Now, what this is going to do is it's going to take the 12 of the fourth month of your working year. So as we saw in the settings, the working year on this platform was 2026. So it has taken the 12th of April 2026. And it's going to do the same if I'm going to write another number. So the 13th, so it is going to take the 13th of April 2026. Now, it's going to also work the same if we're going to like a day, for instance. So let's say we're going to write Tuesday. So you can even go ahead and just write 2 and you will see it's going to take the last Tuesday from your working day. It's going to do the same if we write Wednesday, Thursday, or any other day. So this is just a quick way for you to add the due date based on the working day that you have in your settings. So this is always going to take the working day in your settings. So always keep that in mind when you want to use those shortcuts. Now, let's go ahead and look at a range of dates now that we have. So let's say we are going to open our sales invoices, and in our sales invoices, we can see the posting date here. And if you wanted, you can click on the filter option here and you can filter by posting date. Now, let's say we are going to filter for the month of April 2025. So we can go ahead and put it the date, and what we're going to write for the range is we're going to write double dots because this is going to then indicate the range that we want for that filter. So once you've done that, you can click on enter and you can see it has filtered the information for that specific range. So the double dot here is very important when it comes to date range in Business Central. Well, as you can also maybe know by now, is we also have Copilot here that can help us. So if you click on Copilot and you click on Analyze a List, and you can go ahead and give a prompt to Copilot to analyze the list based on the specific date that you want. So let's say you want to show me the sales invoices group by months, and Copilot is going to generate that list for you. So as you can see now, it has generated or has filtered the sales invoices based on the month. And if you click on it, you will see the specific invoices for that particular month. And you can also write more prompts here to drill down and be more specific with the information. You can choose to keep it and play with Copilot in Business Central. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Just a quick one because I was working on Business Central and I was working with dates, and it just came into my mind that it would be something great to show you guys just to know about the quick shortcuts that you can do when it comes to dates. So hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.